So ChatGPT just released the task feature or the scheduled task, and it's very useful for starting to create some little automated workflow that lives right there inside ChatGPT. So you don't necessarily have to use something like make.com and the API to do that kind of things. Obviously, it's not going to be as flexible and robust and all of the bigger automations, but it's already a good start into automating tasks. And a good example that I found so far is to help me create content and coming up with ideas. So I'm going to give you that specific example right now. Another one I've been thinking about is I follow a bit of the stock market. And if you want to get some reports and some news of what happened during the day, during the session, you can also ask ChatGPT to give you that summary or what happened with the indices or things like that. Let's get started with creating our first task. And the way we do that is I'm inside the app right now on my laptop, and you're gonna click right here, and we have now that feature, that new model, still GPT-4o, but with scheduled task. It's in beta right now. We don't see it right here, but you can see it if you use the browser-based ChatGPT. And I'm gonna select it. And now what I'm going to do is open the mic. Hey, ChatGPT, can you create a task that's going to run every day at 2 p.m. and I want you to go and get the latest AI news for me. And I want you, in the response, I want you to give me the source URL of that specific news. And I want you to give me a detailed summary, like a bullet point of the key takeaways and what that news is about. And also on top of that, I want you to create a draft of an example article that I could create, or actually a post that I could reuse as content. I want it to be a draft. And yes, make sure to run that every day at 2 p.m. I said. And that's it for now. All right. And send. Let's see what it does. See, it's creating the task and check AI news. Got it? It will run every day at 2 p.m. So now if you want to check them out, I think, no, you cannot do that from here. Okay, so I just switched to the actual website, ChatGPT website, and not the app right now because I don't have access to the task in there. But inside the website, see, you can already turn on the desktop notification to get notified on when the task is being run. So I'm going to allow that. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to allow that. So that's going to bring some notification within the browser when this happens. And if you want to configure it, so you can get access to the tasks, to all your tasks right here. So if you go in your profile, click task. That's what I mentioned when I say it's in beta. You can see my scheduled task right here, and I can make any changes right here. So if I want to change the instruction, I can change it right here. So see, I'm going to get the source URL of the news, a bullet point summary of the key takeaways, and also third, a draft of an example article or a post that can be reused as content. And I can change right here when I want to run it. If it's daily, I can do weekly. You can even do custom, and you can pause it. All right, you can also change those notification settings. And if I go, well, that's for the notification, which is what appears right here or on my phone with the app, or also getting an email or not. That's where you can change. Now let me switch, but I want to show you when this is going to happen. All right, let's see if we can get the notification on this page because I have multiple windows, multiple screens. So hopefully this is where I'm gonna get notified, so you can see it happening. It should happen any moment. Oh, there you go. See, the notification just appeared in this thread directly. And as you can see, the latest AI news has been gathered. Here is the information. So I guess there was no notification just because I was on the chat. Yeah, the source URL, here it is, key takeaways, and a draft post. Oh, that's what I forgot to mention in the prompt. I wanted like 3 examples of those. But see, this is where we can get it. You get a title, you get a little text, the bullet points, and yeah, and now you can just edit it, refine it, make it better, make it your way. That's what I would do. But yeah, if you want to edit the prompt, you come here, you say edit. See, we don't have even to go to the prompts over there. And you make adjustment right here and say, I want actually to get 3 specific news. Oh, my writing is terrible. And save. And I think for the next time, I'm going to get 3 examples of those. There you go. So that's what the tasks are and how you can run them and schedule them. So yeah, let me know in the comments what other ways you would use those tasks and how they can help you to just have some regular and recurring Chat GPT prompt running, so that can help you on a more regular basis. Yeah, would love to know in the comments. Let me know there.